Today, we're going to be putting together the Amazon Basics monitor arm. It's just going to be a quick walkthrough on how to assemble this and attach it to your desk. So here we go. First step is to attach this bottom support to this tube. To do that, we're going to use the screws that were labeled C and the Allen wrench labeled F. So we're going to put the 3 screws through this threading on the bottom here, and then it lines up with the threading on the bottom of the tube. So you want to make sure this opening lines up with the flat plate here. That's going to be for your cable management. Oh, this is hard to do because I can't see. This is impossible. I can't see. Oh no, I'm pushing the whole table. Next up, we attach this adjusting knob to this plate. I already did the measurement, so we're going to use the second set of holes here for ours, but you'll have to adjust based on the thickness of your table that you're using. So we're going to attach that. We're going to be using the screws that were labeled D. So these ones, little ones here. This seemed to work a lot better in my head. This is kind of not how I was expecting it to go.
Well, how were you expecting it to go?
Like a nice, easy guide to follow. So before we clamp this to the desk, you want to make sure this foam ring is attached. That way it will protect it from the metal from scraping. So we want to do that real quick. Then you're going to want to attach it to your desk. And then tighten this knob underneath. Nice and sturdy. Okay, so next step is we want to secure the monitor arm to the stand. So we just want to slide this down and then to whatever height you want. And then you're going to flip this lever up. And then you're going to use the provided little screw. It was in pouch H. It also comes with another hex. And then you're going to secure that in this. Next, we're going to release the monitor plate. So you just push back and lift up. So next step is to remove whatever stand that you had attached to your monitor. And then you're going to put these washers from H down. And then you're going to attach the monitor plate to your screen. Depending on your monitor make and model, you might be using the thumb screws from A or B. We're using the ones from A. And then you just twist these down. Then if you want to do a final adjustment, you can just tighten it with a screwdriver. I wouldn't go too far because it is all plastic, at least the one I have, so. Just so it's snug. We're gonna line this up here. And then just, why is it not going on? Hello? There we go. That's fine. So now we have an attached monitor.
Look at that.
Okay, a couple more steps. So next, this is fine. Okay. So it comes with a little bit of cable management. So pretend there are some wires running through here. You would just put the wires through the middle here, and then this goes on the top there, and it just snaps in. They also give you these little guys to also cable manage with. Feels like it's gonna snap when you try to attach it, but they actually have a lot of give and flexibility. So they just go around your little arm here, and they just snap on. And then the second one snaps on there. So then you get your cables running through here and down out here through the bottom. And then that's it. You are set. You are ready to game or be productive or whatever else you do.